So today is the 18th of November 2001. Till 20th of November we had the Marxist conference, a festival, yeah? How do you feel about this festival at the end?
I think there are a lot of young people who are starting to question capitalism, and people who come to this festival is very enthusiastic, very strong, and what people are going to do now is we're going to go out from this festival and we're going to organise. And the main thing we're organising for is a big trade union demonstration on the 26th of November, where we're going to say, tax the wealthy, not people who are needy and who are poor. We're going to say, stop all the cuts, and we want the money that was being put into banks to be put into a public works programme to give people jobs. So we want to see thousands on the streets on the 26th of November. Then we want to escalate that protest to congregating outside the door. So this festival is discussing ideas, but it's also getting people organised to prepare for action on the ground.
How many groups, parties or movements are participating on this festival today?
Well, this festival is organised by the Socialist Workers' Party. So we're a revolutionary socialist organisation. We think that capitalism has failed. It's on its death agony. Just like communism failed in Eastern Europe, capitalism is failing today. So we want to end that system by a people's revolt, people getting on the streets, occupying their factories and their offices, and bringing about a new system which we think will be much more democratic, except this time you won't just be voting on the future of the country, you'll get a chance to vote on how your economy and your jobs can be organised.
How can you get more people involved in this activity?
By explaining, first of all, what we're about, our ideas, that our ideas have nothing to do with the old-style Soviet Union. We're not for anything to do with that. We want genuine democracy where people control their work, where they have self-management, and where we can decide the priorities for the economy. So we'll explain all that. And then secondly, you have to prove to people that you don't just talk, you don't just have full of words, you have to be with people when they're struggling. So when people are, for example, told they have to pay a household charge, our members will be involved organising the campaigns and opposing the household charges. So we explain how there can be a different future, but we're also organising with people when they resist what's happening to them at the moment.
What are the core beliefs of the Socialist Workers' Party?
The core beliefs of the Socialist Workers' Party is that capitalism is an evil system. Its main purpose is to expand capital, to expand money. Money used to be just a piece of paper to allow people to transact the fruits of their labour, but now it's become the great god that seeks to expand itself in ways that have nothing to do with human needs. So we're totally against capitalism and we want it to be overthrown. We think that the future society we want is one where, first of all, we take the main corporations into public ownership, the big companies. We don't think they should be run by board of directors, they should be run by the people. We want when people go to work they have self-management. In other words, that you shouldn't be treated as somebody stupid and be told what to do by your manager. People should be able to vote on how their workplace is organised. And thirdly, we want people to be able to democratically plan where the investment of society should go in order that it's driven for the need of people rather than just for profit.
So on the 26th of November, which is next weekend, we're going to have a huge demonstration. What will be your message calling people on this demonstration?
Well, the message, as I said, is simple. It is stop all the cuts, stop the austerity, tax the rich, and invest in creating jobs. Instead of putting our money into banks, failed banks, put the money into creating jobs. That's the message we're trying to get across.
Thank you.
Thank you.